Alright, still trying. No, no, no. Head. Oh wow, the headshot didn't take any damage? Right arm is very weak, huh? Fire hydrant's weak. Let's try. Let's do fire hydrant, right? Then the right arm. Then the right leg, then the right leg. Okay, let's do that. I might have partially crippled him, I'm thinking. I need more AP. The fuck is he going? Get back out here, you pussy. I can't shoot you if you're being a bitch. Where'd he go? Let's see. Right leg 1%, I'll shoot that. I'll shoot it twice. Fire hydrant, I'll shoot that twice. Took his leg out. Now I took one leg out. Alright, I think I'm starting to get these boss battles. You need to take out the limbs first. If you don't, you can't kill them. This is the first boss in the game, by the way. Come on. Come on back. Right arm. I'll shoot that. Then the head. Fuck it. His health's going down. It's taking a while, but his health is going down. And my computer teammates are surviving, even though they're invincible. Two arms, brother, 2 arms. Yes, 2 arms. Right arm has 0%. Nice. 3 headshots then. 4 headshots. Fuck it. I did some damage, but not much. What the fuck? Why is the FPS mode doing more damage? Wow, FPS mode was way better. She's fucked up. She can't even walk.
I guess it's my turn to thank you. Anyway, the area's secure, so you're free to talk to 3 Dog if you need to. She died well. In the end, that's all that really matters. Well, the Brotherhood needed a secure outpost, and the guy who runs the radio station needed to not get his head ripped off by super mutants. It's a mutually beneficial relationship. 3 Dog is the man in charge. He keeps that signal broadcasting pretty much single-handedly. He's, interesting. I'll give him that much. I'm sure. You can handle yourself. I'll give you that. But let's not get carried away.
Alright, where the fuck are we headed?
It's not your fault, Vargas. Redden was good enough for the Pride, and she proved it here today.
Yeah. Damn it.
When we get back to the Citadel...
Where the fuck do I get the key from? Oh wait, I guess we're going in together? Even though they're walking through walls? Very nice. Look at this. Walk right through it. Nice programming, just walk right through it.
Hail. I guess it's my turn to thank you. Anyway. Watch yourself.
Open the door, you asshole. What? She walked right in?
Looks like it's all clear. Unlocking outer doors.
Finally.
Hail.
Welcome to the GNR garrison. Welcome to the GNR garrison.
The look on your face says it all. You're wondering who the heck this guy is and why you should care. Well, prepare to be enlightened. I am Three Dog, jockey of discs and teller of truths, lord and master over the finest radio station to grace the wastes, Galaxy News Radio. And you, well, I know who you are. Heard about you leaving that vault, traveling the unknown, just like dear old Dad, huh? Met him already.
What's with the flashy introduction? Holy shit, you're that guy from the radio. You know my father, is he here? Please, I've been looking for him. You have about 2 seconds to tell... You know, he does have about 2 seconds to tell me
Whoa,
what I
whoa,
want.
whoa! Someone woke up on the wrong side of bed this morning. Why don't you just sit back and relax?
Because you're an
I'm not
asshole.
here to fight. At least not you. Only fight I'm interested in is the good fight. And I wage that every day on the airwaves.
The good fight, whatever you want. I'm just looking for my dad. You're looking to have a good fight on your hands if you don't help me.
Hey, there's no need for that kind of talk. I'm here to help, not to hurt. Hey, not everyone's cut out for bigger and better things. Sometimes the smallest roles in a good fight are the most important. But enough of that. If it's your dad you seek, then I will abide.
Why do you trust me so easily? I've never met you. You don't seem like you have much to offer if you spend all your time up here. If you know anything that can help me to find my dad, please just tell me. I want to try that one.
You want to find your dad. And it just so happens his location is known to yours truly.
Yeah, okay.
He was here in the Galaxy News. We had a great conversation. He's a real stand-up guy. If you want to know more, you're going to have to contribute to the good fight.
Oh, look at this horse shit. Look, Three Dog, if I find my dad, maybe he can help with the good fight.
Well,
I succeed.
your dad is some sort
good.
of scientist type. Some kind of egghead or something. You really think if you find him, he'd help our cause?
I succeeded. I know he will. Yes, I know he will.
When your dad passed through here, I spent a good long time talking to him about all kinds of stuff. He mentioned some scientific mumbo-jumbo which didn't make much sense to me. Something about a Project Purity. He also said something about going to visit a Dr. Lee in Rivet City. Then he left in a hurry.
Okay. Where is that? Where's Rivet City?
You've never heard of Rivet City? Wow. Just wow.
Tell me, you fuck.
Well, a whole bunch of eggheads got together and turned a beached aircraft carrier into a town. Pretty cool, huh? Just follow the river south from here. There's no way you can miss it.
And I got a way marker. Very nice. And I got an achievement. Okay.